So I've been a patient here for as long as I can remember, and the staff at this office is always so friendly and so warm, and I always wish that I didn't have my mouth full of appliances when I come, so that I could actually talk to you guys and continue with a conversation. But yeah, it's been a wonderful experience, and I always look forward to coming in and seeing everyone here in the office. Any procedure that I've had done here has been a wonderful experience. Everyone's checking in constantly throughout, making sure that I'm, feeling okay. Are you feeling any pain? Which I never am, thankfully. So yeah, it's been wonderful. I always walk out feeling clean and smooth, and just how you would like to feel leaving the office. Yeah, so today when I was having my cleaning done, there were a couple areas that needed a little bit more attention, and the technician went over the techniques of flossing, just a gentle reminder, getting in the very back and making sure that the technique is something that I know to, have a better cleaning in the future, I guess. There's nothing at all to worry about coming here. I never have, any fears of walking in and feeling like I won't be heard, and that my concerns won't be addressed. And everyone's so gentle and kind, and I think that it's just a really pleasant experience. I mean, the office itself is beautiful, and the staff makes it, wonderful the whole time. So yeah, just be at ease. Nothing to worry about here.